Okay guys, so important thing what you should do before you will start trading. Of course you need to find trusted company where you will hold your money, where you will able to open trading account. Personally I'm using Switzerland company, and it has regulations. It's regulated by Switzerland government, and as well it has trading license in my country. So as well this company got deposit protection. So this means if, for example, this trading company will be bankrupt, I will get my money back. So my deposit is insured up to 20,000 euro. So if, for example, if they will bankrupt, or for some reason government will close this company, I will get my money back. So this is very important, guys. uh, in my opinion, if you are serious in Forex, you should open a trading account in trusted companies. um, Personally, I do not work with offshores and small companies, small brokers. So if you want, you can work with them, but there is no any warranties that that you'll be able to withdraw your money back, and in one day they can disappear as well. So be careful with this. In my opinion, if you are serious here, you should uh, open trading account in your local bank what offer currency trading, or maybe broker what has regulations, what is regulated by your government or by serious authority. uh, so like this is the first thing what you should do. Think uh, where you would like to open trading account. You can use Google to find good companies, good trusted companies. uh, I will not give you any personal recommendations because I do not want that you think that I'm trying to promote you anything. So just use Google. There are tons of information. uh, Ask your maybe local bank if they are do currency trading. Compare their terms and conditions, commissions, what they offer, and make your own decision. So let's move to the next lecture and talk about money management.